Hi, my name is Jeff Critten, Director of Business Development here at Cadence. I'm here to talk about the Cadence Cloud, the future of electronics design. It's proven and painless and the fastest way to get productive in the cloud. There's a common problem we see at many of our customers today. And this is about mapping the data center resources to the actual engineering demand. So as you grow as a company, you typically add CapEx dollars to your data center to expand as you expand headcount. But the problem with that is the engineering requirements are never mapped to that data center. And they can look more like this. And when you have this particular problem, you've either overspent on your data center, or you've underspent and you're not addressing these peaks. And you're not addressing the peaks, that means your engineers are sitting idle because they can't access compute requirements in your own data center. Now, the way to fix this problem is to look to the cloud to augment your data center capacity in a productive way and cost-effective way. Cadence has a number of options for this. Today, I'm going to talk about Passport. Passport gives you the ability to take our software and host that in one of the major cloud providers. You can pick between Amazon, Azure, Microsoft, or Google. We've invested tremendously to validate that our products work on these cloud providers, so it's a no-risk solution in moving to these cloud providers. This particular program, Passport, is set up in such a way that you can manage your own relationships. So this is for people who have a lot of expertise in going to the cloud. Somebody with an IT organization that knows how to set up virtual private chambers and VPNs. Then you can come to Cadence and we can offer our Passport program so you can take advantage of our new software with the parallelization capabilities and become productive in the cloud leveraging your own IT infrastructure and support. A few examples, a product like Liberate for cell characterization used to take customers weeks to be able to characterize a full library on-prem where they were limited in core count. By going to a public cloud provider and throwing thousands of cores at cell characterization, you can do literally almost any library at any node in less than a day. So it provides massive productivity increases by leveraging the compute in the cloud. Thanks for watching. And don't forget that Cadence Cloud is the future of electronics design, painless and production proven. Thanks.